Hello, today we'll be discussing in short about fluvial morphometry in geology. Problems related to these are often seen in competitive exams such as GATE and NET. You see, in these questions, we are mostly asked to find stream ordering, basin magnitude, bifurcation ratio, drainage density, ruggedness number, relief ratio of a particular stream. So let's make sure by the end of this module, we are familiar with these terms. For your better understanding, I'll be using this 3D terrain map that I got from Google Earth. Here we can clearly see a main river channel and its tributaries. Sure, there are several other factors, but we'll not be dealing with all those factors, and we'll keep our discussion confined to the problematic part. These are the river channels that could be marked from the previous image. So moving on, in the second image we can see a shaded area that can be represented as a drainage basin. Note that these images are only for explanatory purposes. The actual basins might be a lot larger than this. Anyways, let's get to the first term, stream ordering. It's a method of indicating the level of branching in a river system. There are many approaches to this, but most commonly followed is Steller method, in which the outermost tributaries are denoted as first order streams, and the order goes on increasing when two equal ordered streams join. So what does happen when two streams of unequal order merge? Simple. The higher one gets carried along until it merges with an equal counterpart. So here I have color coded each stream. So you can pause the video here and take a look at this. Here you can see how the streams of equal color, same color, are joining and merging into a different color, whereas the streams with different color are not. So again, moving on. Basin magnitude. It is nothing but the number of first order streams in a system. You can simply count the number of first order streams and answer this question. And there you go. It's 12. And moving on to bifurcation ratio. We can answer this question simply by using the table that is present here, in which we have the order of the river, the number of streams, and bifurcation ratio. So we already know what order is. So number of streams is nothing but the number of total number of that particular ordered stream in the diagram. So let me show you. The total number of first order streams are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can do a similar thing with the other streams also. And the values we get is 12, 5, 5 and 1. So what you do for bifurcation ratio is you divide the lower order number with the upper order number in this manner. So by repeating the same method as you go down, we get these values. So we can use these values to answer the question as per the requirement. So moving on to drainage density. It is nothing but the total sum of the stream lengths by the basin area. And next, ruggedness number. This is a measure of how unevenness of the surface has affected the path of the stream. It can simply be calculated by multiplication of drainage density and basin relief. And the last one, basin relief. These problems can be solved by using the simple formula basin relief by basin length. Well, it is really obvious that there is more to all these above mentioned terms, but as far as the arithmetic problems are concerned, these are pretty much enough. So these were some of the basic formulae that can be used in solving morphometric problems. In upcoming session, we will be dealing with some of the problems from previous papers using these formulas. Until then, stay tuned. If this video has helped you in any way, please like, share and subscribe.